These are our pied butcherbirds, and there is a butcherbird chasing them. The butcherbirds are absolutely vicious when it comes to the pieds. I guess you could say the same family, but totally two different birds. That sound you can hear is the pied butcherbird. Yep, we have a family of 5 that come. There's one down here that you can see in this video, and there's 2 more higher up in the tree. But they are very wary at the moment. They're singing out to each other. They're very wary at the moment. There's a butcherbird hanging around. Yeah, there he is. Just letting you hear the sounds these birds make. Absolutely beautiful. That's a butcherbird. That's a butcherbird.
They're wanting these ones.
There's another pied over there. I don't know if you'll see it. It's just flown in. There's 5 altogether.
There's 2 up here on the roof.
And we've had these coming, well, this particular family, at least for a couple of years now. Piper, one of the babies from the original lot from last year, I was hand feeding him or her, and he's still one of these. He'll still come up to me for a feed, which we don't do that often. Okay, catch you later, boys and girls.